and then I would renew all of my prior arguments on the county's petition as well.
All right. Thank you, sir. Mr. High, I know that you were a party, your county was a party to this. Do you want to be heard with regard to this issue?
Just briefly, Your Honor, thank you very much, and good morning to you.
Good morning.
For the record, I'm Hackney High, and I'm here on behalf of the Perquimans County Sheriff's Office. And as Your Honor well knows, that is a county that's located adjacent to this county, just west of us. Elizabeth City is not within the jurisdiction of the Perquimans County Sheriff's Office, but shortly after the shooting, our office received a phone call requesting mutual aid assistance over here for crime scene preservation, for security, for crowd control, and the like. Due to certain budgetary constraints, we are a very small county, a very poor county. We don't have body cams, and none of the officers that came to assist local law enforcement were equipped with body cams, and we don't have any recordings of any of the events that we witnessed while we were here providing that mutual aid assistance. I just want to be clear for the record, there is nothing that we could release because we don't have cameras and there were no recordings made. And accordingly, I would just ask that the Sheriff's Department of Perquimans County be released from this proceeding and any further obligations that it may have.
You want to be heard with regard to that?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll grant that relief.
Thank you,
You'll
Your
draw
Honor.
an order.
I appreciate it very much.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
All right. Anything else?
Your Honor, just to address Mr. Williams' point, I want to make clear that the court is aware that the petitioners, my clients, the 20 media entities, have petitioned under 132-1.4 subsection G, which is the general release provisions. F is reserved for those entitled to disclosure and law enforcement. A major difference between F and G is those petitioning under F, which could be law enforcement or those entitled to disclosure, don't have to pay the $200 non-refundable fee. My clients paid the $200 non-refundable fee. Other than that, Your Honor, I would also say that with respect to speculation, the speculation and conclusions are going to be drawn whether or not they're released. We believe that release will be, as I said, will quell the rumors or deal with rumors or vaccinate the rumors because it will be facts that will be released. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I want to clarify one thing. Mr. Williams waived notice today, and I want to tell the court that he has, of course, not seen this petition today, and I want to apologize to him because I don't think we were sure if this was under F or G, and I do understand in G, so to the extent I caused any confusion to Mr. Williams, I apologize to him publicly, and this has just happened at a very quick, fast pace. I think we're all learning a lot very quickly. As to the public records request, I've been inundated with public records requests, and I understand there'll be a time and place, and we do intend to address those, but I can't tell you how many I've received. So, again, sorry to Mr. Williams, and thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right. Well, certainly we're not here today on public record requests, so we'll reserve that for another day. All right. Anything else? Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, Amanda Martin, also for the petitioners with Mr. Toddy. As Your Honor knows, we served last night and have filed a petition asking the court to address the scope of the curfew that is embedded in the Elizabeth City declaration of a state of emergency. And as Your Honor suggested, I have spoken this morning with the city attorney. We have communicated about this, and I asked him if he was comfortable with me to put this on the record since he is not here, and he responded, absolutely, he is comfortable with this, that it's the position of the city that working journalists will not be subject to the curfew, and that he's not sure yet whether that will be through an amendment to the order or whether it will be through a working understanding and application of the existing order, but that he was comfortable with putting it on the court record that working journalists will not be subject to the curfew that is part of the existing.
All right. Well, that's absent something. There's nothing before me, an order or anything before me, so I don't think I need to comment on any of that. You can continue to work on it, and if y'all can reach a resolution, that's fine. If not, and we need to take action on your motion, then we can do so.
I don't think that will be
Okay.
necessary.
All right.
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Thank you. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I would like to be at ease for a few minutes. I'm going to go back in chambers and put these matters down and render my decision, and I'll be back out to do that in about 15 or 20 minutes, okay? And we'll be at ease until that time.
Your Honor, I don't mean to be presumptuous, but I did prepare with the caption for our petition, the Form AOC order. on
I'm happy to
this.
take that and look at
There
it, yes,
there
sir.
are 4 basic blanks.
Thank you. All right, anything else before we, all right, we'll be at ease for about 15, 20 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court be at ease about 15 to 20 minutes.
Grab my bag. Yes. Let's take it back and back so I can got all my stuff.
City, for Rafi's camera, the audio from the